Today, I will introduce to you the industrial washing machine drain valve. The brand is Talieth. From the United States. A manufacturer with more than 60 years of experience in washing equipment. The product is 90 degrees and 180 degrees. The size is 2 inches. 3 inches. The power supply can choose to 20V, 110V, 24V. Our products are popular in Europe, Southeast Asia, North America, Middle East and other countries with super high cost performance and have a super high praise rate. If you are interested, directly click the link to place an order and get a sample or contact us online.